In a market flooded with subcompact SUVs, the 2025 Honda HR-V enters the ring. But does it have what it takes to stand out, or is it just another face in the crowd? Stick around to find out why the HR-V might just surprise you or leave you wanting more. With its sleek design, upgraded interior, and advanced tech introduced in 2023, the HR-V still feels fresh. Rumor has it, Honda might be cooking up a hybrid version soon, potentially shaking things up with a 2026 refresh. So, is it worth waiting for the future, or is the 2025 model good enough? Let's dig deeper. Driving the HR-V is a mixed bag. On one hand, you get smooth handling and precise steering, a rarity in this price range. Thanks to its independent suspension, the HR-V glides over city streets with ease, making your daily commute a breeze. But here's the catch. Under the hood, the HR-V's 158 horsepower engine leaves much to be desired. When it comes to merging onto the highway, you'll find yourself wishing for more power. Here's where the HR-V starts to make a strong case for itself. If safety is your top priority, this SUV delivers in spades. It's got the top safety ratings from both IIHS and NHTSA, making it one of the safest choices in its class. Honda's full suite of safety features, standard across all trims, is a game changer. As you move up the trims, you get even more, like blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert. But safety isn't just about features, it's about peace of mind, and the HR-V provides that in abundance. Step inside the HR-V, and you might just forget you're in an entry-level SUV. The interior design, with its sleek honeycomb mesh, feels more upscale than you'd expect. The tactile buttons and knobs are a welcome throwback in a world of overly complicated touchscreens. So, where does that leave us? The 2025 Honda HR-V is far from perfect. Its performance might leave speed enthusiasts cold, but its strengths lie in practicality, safety, and a surprisingly premium feel for the price. If you're looking for a reliable, safe, and stylish subcompact SUV, the HR-V could be the hidden gem you didn't see coming. But is it the best choice in this crowded segment? Well, that's for you to decide.